Welcome back. Now in this video, we're going to go through the Eunice Primary School Primary 4 End of Year Exam Mathematics Practice Paper Set 1 Booklet B. This is also the 2020 paper for this school. Let's start now. If you are my student going through the corrections now, please make sure you use your green pen and write down the working clearly. If you're just using this video for practice purposes, I'll advise you to pause the video at each question. Try on your own on a piece of paper before playing the solution. Let's get started. Write 13,049 in figures. So this is 13,000 and this is 49. Okay, now figures here means numbers. So writing this in figures, I'll just add these two together. I have 13049. And that will be my first answer. Next, adding these two, I will always advise students to do your working. Don't try your mental sum. Right, because only with your working written down, you are able to check it. 9 plus 7 is 16, carry 1. 1 plus 0 plus 7 is 8. 6 plus 4 is 10, carry 1. 1 plus 5 is 6. This answer will be 6,086. Do remember to bring the answer over to the answer blank space. Arrange the following fractions from the smallest to the greatest. Now, to do this, change all the denominators to be the same. These two are already the same. So let's change this one. So I will have this as my 12. 4 times 3 is 12. 3 times 3 is 9. And then I'll compare with these other two fractions. So the one with the larger, since all the denominators are the same now, the fraction in the larger numerator is the largest one. And the one the smallest numerator will be the smallest. So this is 7, that is the smallest. And 11 is the greatest. We're supposed to arrange from smallest to greatest. So from smallest will be 7 12. Greatest is 11 12. Now, what you need to be careful is for the middle one. Don't write 9 12. Instead, you must write the original fraction, which is 3/4. Let's go to the next question. Write 3 whole 2/5 as an improper fraction. Now, to do this, let me just rewrite this out here. The way you do this is you multiply the whole number and the denominator. You get an answer 15. Then 15, you plus this 2. You have 17. Okay, that is an improper fraction. Now, to explain further for those who are not sure, 3 whole here simply means this is 1 whole, 1 whole, 1 whole. This will be that 3 whole. Alright, and the 2/5 is here. So you add all this together. 5 plus 5 is 10, 10 plus 5 is 15, 15 plus 2 is 17. Right, this is how this answer is derived. What is the value of 9 10 plus 2/5? Well, I was supposed to express as a mixed number. Let's try it. 9 10 plus 2/5. Now, denominator must be the same, so I changed my 5 here to a 10. 5 times 2, 10, 2 times 2, 4. Here is still my 9 tenths, and 9 plus 4 is 13. So this means that now this is an improper fraction. I need to change it to a mixed number. So this will be 1 whole 3/10. Alright, how is this like this? For those not familiar with fraction, 13 actually means 10 plus 3, right? 10 plus 3 is 13. So this is the 1 whole. And this is the remaining 3/10. Answer 1 whole 3/10. Write 8 tenths as a decimal. So 1/10, just to revise with you, is 0.1. 5/10, what is 5/10? 0.5. So what is 8/10? 8/10 will be 0.8. Answer is just 0.8. Next, what is the missing number in the box? So this is actually your 5/10, right? This is the same thing as 5/10. And that is actually 5 divided by 10. You have your 5/10. The missing number in the box is 10. Next question. 6.02 plus 2, 6.04 plus 2. You need to know this is 2 whole. Now, if I draw a purple line here just to divide this part, this side onwards are all your whole numbers. And this side, however, will be your decimals. Okay, those that are smaller than whole number. So 2 is a whole, 2 belongs to this side. Okay, so there's nothing here, nothing is 0. 4 plus 0, 4, 0 plus 0, 0, decimal remain here, 6 plus 2, 8. Answer is 8.04. In the figure below, name the smallest angle. So this is definitely the largest, this is larger than 90, this is not. This is close to, this is also larger than 90, this is not. Now we have these two angles. This angle is very close to 90. You can look at the shape of it. This is the smallest possible angle here, the most acute angle, that is angle S. Of course, you can also use your protractor to measure it. Here, I think it's quite clear to me. For example, angle Q here is larger. This is my 90. Angle Q is larger than 90. Angle R is larger than 90. Angle P, you see, is very close to 90. It's a bit smaller. Whereas angle S is super small compared to 90. S is the smallest. Next question. Mr. Mutu paid a total of $30 for 2 plates and 4 cups. Now, this is not too helpful. What's helpful is this part. 1 plate costs 3 times as much as a cup. So in see this sentence, you have to draw this model. So the plate, 1 plate. It says it costs 3 times. So I'll cut this into 3 parts. So why? Because it costs 3 times as much as a cup. So my cup here will be this. From this model, then you can see the meaning of 1 plate costs 3 times 1, 2, 3 as 3 times as much as a cup. Now he bought 2 plates, so I draw 1 more on top. This will be plate number 1. This is my plate number 2. 4 cups, right? So I have my 4 cups. 1 cup, 2 cup, 3 cup, 4 cups. And now I bring this information in. He paid a total of $30 for 2 plates and 4 cups. So what's the cost of a cup? You're supposed to find out the value of 1 part. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 parts here has the value of $30. So what is 1 part? That will be 30 divided by 10, which is 3. So the answer is $3 because you're supposed to find 1 part, right? I repeat. So after you draw the model, you count 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 parts is equivalent to 30. So 1 part, just divide 30 by 10 and you get 3. Now, I've helped you with the understanding of the first 10 questions, which is question 20 to 21 to question 30. Now, for the remaining questions 31 to 40, I will provide you with a different kind of help in the next video. I will go through the question, I may draw the model for you, but you will have to solve that on your own. Alright, now, all the best to you. I'll see you in the next video.